Hello and welcome to the presentation of ecPROMAN from Expert Control. ecPROMAN is a highly flexible process management tool which allows engineers to define processes and workflows in ecPROMAN with universal building blocks, integrate all available software tools in these processes, let's call them executive tools, define commands for all available executive tools which can be used via command line interface, and finally run these automated processes and workflows fully automatically. With the following example, I want to show you how mighty ecPROMAN is. This example is focused on modeling with MATLAB Simulink and designing feedback controllers, but ecPROMAN can be used as well for any other processes like commercial processes, quality assurance, test and measurement, and many more. The application areas of ecPROMAN are only limited to the non-availability of executive software tools. Our target is to build a new cruise control model with MATLAB Simulink. Our model shall include some functions and a feedback controller. So let's see what kind of data we have to start our process. Our relevant Simulink models are stored in a version control system repository. We will check them out with ecVERSIM and save them to a local directory. Our local Simulink models need to be modified. Here we need to add a closed loop system to our model. Therefore we open MATLAB and Simulink, integrate the closed loop system and connect all ports with the model. To get system information, we stimulate the system, view simulation results and capture simulation data. Now we have to parameterize the controller. Here we use icICP from Expert Control to calculate the controller parameters based on simulation data. Of course, the controller parameters have to be calculated for the controller structure in the model. In this case we use ecCST controller algorithm, which is already in the closed loop part of the Simulink model. Finally, we can run the simulation to check whether the processes will be controlled correctly. For documentation, we generate a report with ecDIFF to document the changes in the Simulink model, and we generate a report with ecPROMAN to document the process sequence. As you might know, to proceed this workflow, I would guess this may take a couple of hours. Now see how it works with ecPROMAN. This is the user interface of ecPROMAN, and this is our local working directory. You see it's empty. I open the predefined ecPROMAN workflow and start the automated process with the press of one button. Now we have checked out all process relevant data. The Simulink models will be opened up in MATLAB Simulink, will be assembled according to an assembly list, and will be stimulated. The simulation data will be exported to ecICP, which is the parameterization software. icICP calculates based on simulation data or based on measurement data fully automatically a model and the optimal controller settings. So currently icICP is calculating. Now it's ready. You can see some model results and you see the controller parameters. These controller parameters will be now imported automatically back again to the Simulink model, where we can find the feedback controller ecCST. ecCST will be parameterized automatically, and here you can see the simulation results of the already controlled system. Now we will do the differences. Finally, as a result, we get the ecPROMAN log file, which is the report of our automated sequence, and we get the ecDIFF report, which shows us the differences between the two compared Simulink models. Of course, the other result is our cruise control loop Simulink model, which was assembled fully automatically according to an assembly list. All these tasks were fully automatically with no user interaction. If you want to learn more about ecPROMAN or other expert control tools, please contact Expert Control or our local distributors.